How to add more columns or rows in table in notes in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open notes and then add new notes. Now here you can see that table icon on your keyboard. Now click on it. After clicking on table icon, your table will be added on your screen. And if you want to add more rows and columns, then simply click on these three dots button and again click on it and then click on add row. And if you want to add a column, then click on these three dots and then click on add column. So this is the way to add column or rows in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.